Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce the PUTNEN under-desk elliptical machine, a versatile and quiet exercise solution perfect for seniors, office workers, and anyone looking to stay active while sitting. This fully assembled elliptical offers both manual and auto modes, with 12 levels of speed and customizable settings to help you strengthen your legs, burn calories, and improve overall mobility. Its low-impact design ensures zero pressure on your joints, making it ideal for rehabilitation and enhancing circulation. The ultra-smooth magnetic resistance guarantees a whisper-quiet operation, allowing you to exercise discreetly at home or in the office. With its compact and portable design, you can easily move it around and exercise anytime, anywhere, while the LED display and remote control let you track your progress and adjust settings without straining your back. Plus, with PUTNEN's lifetime after-sales service, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that support is always just a message away. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.